plenty of high water spots here. Rain. Let's go to it. So I'm getting a report right now from my producer. So this is Navigation, and those appear to be two cars that are submerged in the high water there. Navigation, this is going to be just east of downtown, just north and east of downtown. This is why flash flooding can be so dangerous in Houston, because these low-lying water crossings where you go underneath the road or underneath the railroad tracks, they rely on pumps to pump that water out. And if the pumps aren't working properly, they can fill up with water and become very dangerous very quickly. So that's what we're looking at on the north and east side of downtown. 2 inches of rain right to the west of Houston. That's an actual rain gauge. And then Edo, east side Canal Street, 3.3 inches of rain, 3 inches of rain near Clinton Drive. And it all came down in an hour and a half and just overwhelmed all the primary drainage.